In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can generate thousands of views, hundreds of subscribers on a brand new channel, all with doing keyword research. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn everything that I've done step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at a channel that I just started about 2 months ago, and over the last few days, if we look at this, I'm getting thousands of views and hundreds of subscribers, and it's all based on keyword research. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did. I'm going to show you the channel so that you could model or emulate it too, and I'm going to show you basically how you can use this to make money, to get viewers, to get monetized if that's what you're interested in. So right now we're looking at Social Blade. Social Blade is a website that many people use to estimate how many subscribers people have, how much money they're making. But right here, I want to show you on Monday, December 27th, so earlier this week, I gained over 100 subscribers on a brand new channel. This channel is only 2 months old, and I haven't been marketing it that much. I'm going to show you the video that's driving all of that traffic and how I've done everything step by step. So if we jump over here, the channel is called Start the YouTube Channel. You can go to startthechannel.com if you want a free YouTube channel checklist, shameless plug, but this channel is really designed to help people start a successful YouTube channel. And what we're going to do is we're going to first take a look at the videos. We're going to take a look at the oldest videos to show you that this channel was just created not too long ago. You can see the oldest video, 25 views from 2 months ago. If we take a look at the About section, you can see that this channel was created September 20 of 2021. Now, if we take a look at the videos and we take a look at the most popular video, this video right here has 17,000 organic views. I haven't done any promotion. I haven't done really anything, but I created this video, set it and forget. If we take a look, the video behind it has 9,000 views, the video behind that 3,000 views, and take a look, this channel is not monetized. It only has 631 subscribers. In reality, over, I would say 200 to 250 of those subscribers came from this one video. So let's go ahead and talk about what I did and how you can do this too. Now, this works for any niche. I just happened to stumble across it for this niche with starting YouTube channels and actually taking a look and seeing how much other YouTubers are making. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I've done and how you can do it too. What you see here is basically I've gone through and I've done some keyword research, which I'm going to show you in just a moment, and I've put them in a Google Sheet, and I've separated them out between, high and low. These numbers right here, this green column is really important, and that's what I'm going to explain to you. Now, everything from the right here, the script, voiceover, video uploaded is not important for this. What is important is the keywords, the ideas, and then the numbers. So this is what I did step by step and how you can do it too. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go up to the YouTube search bar, and there's you can do this for free. There's a paid way that you can do it. It'll help you go a little bit faster, but you don't have to pay. If you do it for free, it's going to limit what you can do. But first thing I did is I went up to the YouTube search bar with a niche idea. I got this niche idea from looking at other YouTube channels. And so let's see, let's use how much is someone making, for example. So what I've done is how much is X, so we're going to put underscore, making with their YouTube channel. Now you can do this with any niche. This works for health, wealth, relationships, basket weaving, you name it, it works for it. And so what you can do is come back over here, and then you're just going to put in each letter of the alphabet. And so let's see here. Let's hit enter just like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for a few channels. So if you take a look here, people are answering this question. So how much is X making with their YouTube channel? And let's go back here and remove the X, and we're going to put an underscore, and you can see that people are asking this question. So we're going to do how much is, and then we're just going to leave it at underscore, and you can see people are actually looking up how much is the iPhone 11, how much is YouTube Premium. What you can do here is come down to YouTube Premium, hit the space bar, and see if there are additional questions being asked. How much is YouTube Premium Family, how much is YouTube Premium for a year, and these are the videos that you want to create. Now this again will work for a small channel, and so what we're going to do here is we're going to go back here one more time. How much is YouTube Premium for Family? Hit the space bar, and you can see there are even more questions that people are asking. They're talking about their individual countries, and once again, you could do this. This is where you want to start and you create content. Now, if we look at this, how much is YouTube Premium Family UK? Hit enter, and you're going to see teeny tiny channels are getting some traction. If we look at this, there are channels of all sizes here that it's working for. And this is really how you want to get started. Now, what you're going to do in the first step, now this is just step one. There's maybe a 2 or 3 step process. The first step is you want to get keyword ideas. So I'm just going to jump back over here, and I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to paste this in. Now, once again, you can do this for any niche. How much does, and we're just going to put an underscore here just like this. And as you can see, there are people asking questions about all sorts of YouTubers. What we're going to do is we can just go through each letter of the alphabet. As you can see, you want to just copy it, and I'll just come down here and I'll copy the name like this, and I'll put it over into my Google Sheet, and I'll go through each letter of the alphabet. Believe it or not, this probably takes maybe an hour to 2 hours to go through each letter of the alphabet and record every single one. Now, it's important that you record every single one, even if you have some names that pop up a few different times. That doesn't matter. That's not important. What is important is you want to get a complete list of keywords. As you can see, there are over, there's probably close to 500 keywords on here. Again, there are going to be a lot of repeats, but this is important to get an idea of everything that's out there, and you can do this for any niche. So if we could do this for like how to start affiliate marketing, we spell marketing correctly, there we go. And then we can do on YouTube, hit the space bar, and you can see people are asking additional questions. How to start Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube, how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube Short. So if you go through and you just jot all of these down, that's going to help you put together a huge list that you could potentially rank for. So this is step one, and it's incredibly important. You don't want to skip over. You don't want to miss ones that you think are dumb or that no one's asking, because you'll be surprised. Those wind up being the ones that could potentially get you a lot of views. So step one in the books. Step two is simply to figure out these scores. Now, if you look here, it says Tubebuddy score. What I use is I use a combination of Tubebuddy, and I actually use Morning Fame as well to help me write my descriptions. But what's most important for what we're doing is actually using Tubebuddy. And what I'll do here is I'll sign up for Tubebuddy. I'll put a link in the description. It is free to get started. You can upgrade to premium if you want to, but what we'll do is we'll just click on this button here. It's a Chrome extension. In fact, if I just type this in, we'll go to Tubebuddy. Once again, we gotta get these words spelled right. Tubebuddy, just like this. 100% for free. You can get started. It's just a Chrome extension. It actually works for Firefox as well, and it should help you if you utilize it the right way. It will help you. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump back over to YouTube, and as you can see here, I'm going to go down to Keyword Explorer, and in Keyword Explorer, I'm just going to paste in these titles here. So I copy this, and I'll paste it in here, and I'll hit enter. And then simply just make sure that you have the overall score to unweighted if you're using a new YouTube channel. You want to make sure that it's weighted if you're doing it on your YouTube channel. So like for my channel, Alston Godbold channel, this main channel here, this would not be a good video. But for a brand new channel or a channel that doesn't have any views or subscribers or anything like that, that's going to be an excellent video. And so if we take a look here, that video that I made with Unwind with Tasha K is in the 100s right here. So you can see that was a good video to make, and Tubebuddy is telling you that this is a good video to make. So what you want to do is go through and do this for every single one of your keywords. Now, if you're on the free plan, you'll be limited to 25 per day. If you're on the paid plan, like the first level up, I think it's like $9 or $10, you can use it unlimited. So you could get all of these knocked out in just a few hours. So within maybe 2 days, you could have a complete list of which videos you should start with. And so as you can see, I started with these videos up here. And then the final thing that you want to do is you probably want to filter it or sort it so that the top videos come first. What I did too is I actually just set up a conditional formatting. So if a number is over 90, as you can see, it gets green. If it's between 89 and 80, I believe, it gets yellow. And if it's below 80, so like 79 to 70, it gets red. So what I'm going to do, or what I should do, is create videos top down, because according to Tubebuddy, and Tubebuddy has been right for the most part, this is going to help me get the most traction. And as you can see, if I jump back over to Social Blade, that's exactly what happened. If we go back over to this channel here, whoops, let's go back over to start the channel. You can see that this video is getting thousands of views, like thousands of comments, hundreds of subscribers, and this is exactly what you want in order for your channel to take off. And the reason why I'm pointing this channel out is because this channel isn't monetized. The other videos here weren't doing great, but you can see here, this video has 17,000 views, almost 1,000 views every single day, just from a channel that has 631 subscribers, isn't monetized. I haven't done any outside promotion. I just did these videos on a whim, but you can see this is kind of happening consistently. And this is something that you can do too with any niche. So what we could do is, if we want to get an idea like how to lose underscore weight, how to lose weight underscore, let's do how to lose weight, how to lose 10 pounds in a week. Let's do that. How to lose, how to lose 10 pounds. And you can see in a week, in a month. Let's do in a month and hit the space bar again. And as you can see here, it says how to lose 10 pounds in a month with exercise and then without exercise. So what we can do is we can take this keyword, copy it once again, and you're going to see there's lots of people creating content here. And then we're going to jump back over to Tubebuddy, and we're going to go to Keywords Explorer, and then we can paste this in here just like this. Click Explore, and it's going to give you an unweighted ranking, so your chances of ranking in the top 10 or 20, so 59. Ideally, you want to shoot for light green or dark green, and then also it can give you some options on a potentially better piece of content to create. So this is what I recommend that everyone does if you are looking to start a YouTube channel in 2022. I just wanted to show you what some results on a relatively brand new channel, as you can see here. And if we take a look at something like this, you can see I was earning, less than 10 subscribers a month or a week. And then all of a sudden, when that video got uploaded, it went viral probably like within 2 or 3 days. And you're seeing the results of it. Again, if we scroll down here, you can see that on Wednesday, 104 subscribers, 49 subscribers, 72 subscribers, and yesterday, 28 subscribers. It is getting a lot of traction. Look at the views for this. And as you know, views equal subscribers. And the other thing that I recommend that you do is I recommend that you comment on every one of these videos. Take a look at the comment section on that channel. You're going to see that I comment on every single, or almost every single comment, because that's going to help the algorithm, let the algorithm know that this is a video that is going to get viewed a bunch of times. One thing that you want to make sure that you remember when it comes to algorithms are based on emotion, and emotion is expressed in likes, comments, subscribes, and dislikes. So if you can get people to do one of those 4 things, it lets the algorithm know that there is emotion behind the content. So the content is good for YouTube. Now the content might not be good. There's an important distinction there. The content might not be good, but it's good for YouTube. And when it's good for YouTube, it's good for you. So make sure you are aware of that. And now that you know how to do keyword research for your YouTube channel, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.